I am here to tell you reality. The reality is that one day you are going to die. I know it's not a motivational message. And if all you need in your life is motivational message, go to YouTube, go to Facebook, pay all these motivational speakers who tell you that your life is going to be just easy and everything is fine. But the reality is that your life one day, just like these trees, will die down just like this. So you are alive today. Probably you have kids, probably you have your spouse and you're living a good life, you're having fun. Maybe not much fun. But the real question I have for you today is, are you happy? Are you happy? Because one day you're gonna die. You might think, no, it's gonna happen to me. I know intellectually I'm gonna die, but maybe not that early. You know what? When I'm 60, when I'm 65, you can die tomorrow. I don't wish it. I bless you with a great life, but one day you're gonna die. So what are you going to do about it today? Are you living your life as if this is your last day, or are you just waiting? Are you just waiting to enjoy? Are you waiting to have fun? Are you waiting to have that fulfillment? Are you waiting to impact people? Are you waiting to really access your inner power? So don't neglect yourself. Don't neglect your emotions. Don't neglect your health, because life is not always going to be green. Someday it will be a yellow light and then a red light. And before it becomes a red light, I want you to enjoy your life today. Live as if there is no tomorrow, because there is no tomorrow. It's only today. That's my tip for you. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.